Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing an unboxing of a PR package I received from Bon Pretty. For a while I've been reviewing their products, and I was sent this one some weeks ago, but I think due to the what they call it now, they had kind of festival in China. I couldn't get this on time because I usually get it like 2 weeks after they sent it. So this one I spent up to like a month before I got it. So it took about a month to get here, but on an average day, they're saying about 2 weeks time. 2 weeks, sorry, 2 weeks. So I got this. I was told of these ones that is wrapped together like this. I think this is an additional stuff that I'm going to check later. So I got these colors. So I'm going to be opening each one of them so you can see it. Watercolor nail gel. So let me bring everything else so you guys can see it. So I got 5 bottles of gel polish. You know, there are different colors. Some are the reflective gel polish and some the regular colors. So wow, I recently got some polish from them, but this is definitely not part of what I got. I don't have this color at all. Then this color as well, I don't think I have this color. No, I don't have this green. This is like emerald green, right? Or bottle green. So I have to take the nylon off the camera. So I got the eggshell top coat. I got one before. Okay, so this is the matte. I got the glossy one from the one I bought from AliExpress. Now I have the matte. So this is very interesting. So I have the watercolor nail gel. I don't know what this looks like. Okay, I think this is the one you put on the nails before you put the polish you want to put to do whatever design you want to do. So this is just like an unboxing. I'm going to be using it to make a set. Then I'm going to be uploading it. So wow, this is a reflective glitter top coat. So for those people that always like to spice their nail up, they don't want to just be plain, they want a little bit of glitters. For my glitter lovers, this is the reflective glitter top coat. Reflective glitters has a way of shining in the dark when you're in the dark. So and I got the new product. Okay, so I've been seeing this on Bon Pretty page on Instagram. This is their solid nail tip gel. I'm so excited. Like, I got this. I've been looking for a way to buy this. I can't believe they added it to my PR package, and I can't wait to actually use this, guys, so you guys can see it. So this is it. Let's open it to see what it looks like. Okay. I've seen I've seen the tutorial on Bon Pretty Instagram handle. The solid gel that you can use to glue your nail tips and it doesn't run around. That's a good thing about it. So let me bring my let me bring it close to the camera so you can see it. Can you see it? So let me bring my what do you call it now? Let me bring my critical pusher so we can see the texture, we can feel it. Okay, so let's remove all the wrap. So this is it. Sorry, I thought it was a nylon covering it. No, it isn't. So you see, just pick. Wow. You see this. I know you cannot believe this is a nail glue, right? So it's so hard, like very hard, very hard. Can you see it? So hard, very hard. Wow. Can you see it? It's not runny and it's a nail glue. So should we try it? I think I have some space on my nails that we can try it on. So let's try it. So I have these two nails prepped. I don't know if I'm going to put on it too, but I'm definitely going to put it on the ring finger. So we're going to pick like, I'm going to pick like this. You know, I'm supposed to roll it in my palm, but I don't want to roll it. I'm going to put it on the nails and spread it. So this is my first impression of this product. I've not used it before. I've seen the review or the tutorial about to use it on Born Pretty Instagram page. So I'm so excited to use this. So let me see if okay. Can you see it? Can you see this? Wow. Hey God, I cannot believe this. So I'm going to take the excess out with my cuticle pusher. Okay, this is really nice, so cooperative. So no wastage in this product, no wastage, as you can see. So I don't know if you saw me doing it. You know, I'm going to do it again so you can see it. So this is how this turned out to be. So very sturdy. Can you see? It's very sturdy. It's not moving up and down. So I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds and I'm going to come back to show you guys. So I'm curing the stuff in the UV lamp for 60 seconds. When I first put my nail in the lamp, it stung for it maybe about a second, but I'm fine now. It's not painful. So 60 seconds and I'll get back to you guys. So guys, I'm back. Can you see this? This is so nice. No bubbles, as you can see. I didn't even need to roll it in my hand. I didn't need to roll it. This is it, the underside of it. Very neat. Wow. So I'm going to keep this in my hand for a week or two, and I'm going to come back and tell you guys the outcome, if it lasts for a long time or if it's just for some days. So let's do the second fingernail. So this is it. I'm going to pick just a little. You need just a little, you know. I'm going to pick just a little. Can you see it? Just this quantity, a little. I'm going to put it on this. Then I'm using the same, what do they call it? The same cuticle pusher to just spread it around in the nail. Man, I don't even know what to liken this onto, you know. But it's like you're working with, what do they call it now? You know, the tack kit that we used to put under the nail, that will put on nail stands when we want to do press on nails. Okay, so this is what it feels like when you're working with this. Just that this is a nail glue, you know. Okay, so this is it. I'll spread it in it. I'm going to put it on my nails just like this. Don't worry, all these stuffs, let me show you guys. So all these like cracks you are seeing in it, It's going to be smooth out when I put it on my nails, you know. So can you see? So I'm going to take the excess off. I have some excess at the edge here, and it's very easy to take the excess off. Can you see? So I want to try to take the excess. Can you see the small little excess inside of the nail? I want to see if I can take it off from here. Can you see? I'm taking it out, and the nail tip is not even moving. Can you see it? So let me go back again and push it out. Okay, so I'm going to put it on the cover. Okay, so press again to remove the air bubbles in it. Okay, so we don't want air bubbles. I think if there's air bubbles, it might not allow the nail to last for a long time. Can you see it? So I'm going to try to put it back, taking it off, then put it back. Sorry, the first one I did was smoother than this, so I don't want air bubbles in it, so that's why I'm taking it back. So I'm trying to take off the air bubbles. Okay, so I'm done. I'm done. Like, can you see it? So taking off the excess again from the back, and that's that. So I'm going to cure this in the UV lamp again for 60 seconds. So I cure this for 30 seconds, you know. So I'm going to try to put it on my nail, not on the tip now, on the nail, and see the method I saw on Instagram. So I'm putting this like this. How do I drop this here? Yeah. So I don't know if I needed to use like a base coat on my nails before I do this. I think I saw like I needed to use a base coat. Anyways, I've done this. I'm going to see how long this will last on my nails without the base coat. Then I'm going to try it again with the base coat. So let me cure this and I get back to you guys. Okay, so I have them all installed, these three, with this solid nail tips gel. So there's no instruction on this on how to use it, but I felt, from what I saw on Instagram, I was able to use it. But what I didn't remember is if they actually use a base coat before they use this. So I'm going to check back and I'm going to do a full review about this, and I'm going to use this gel polish product to create a beautiful set and get back to you guys. So thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts about your products. I've started using them for a while now. I love the products. I'm going to be leaving the link to this product in the description box, so you can get yours from their website if you want to. And the good thing about Born Pretty is that they ship free worldwide. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and keep admiring my nails that I did with this solid nail tips gel. See you next time. Bye guys.